Ever wondered what happens when you challenge a narcissist's ego? How do you turn the tables on someone who craves control and attention? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of making a narcissist panic. It's like learning the secrets to dismantling their power, uncovering the strategies that send shivers down their spine. But before we unveil these tactics, let's understand the game we're playing. Narcissists thrive on being the center of everything, but what if we change that? What if we disrupted their carefully crafted image? Get ready to explore how to shake their confidence and leave them feeling exposed in a way they're not used to. Stick around because we're about to decode the art of making a narcissist panic. It's time to empower ourselves with insights that flip the script on their usual game. Intrigued? Let's delve into the strategies that could change the game entirely. What triggers a narcissistic panic? Narcissists thrive on control and admiration. Anything threatening their self-image or authority triggers a cascade of panic within them. Here's a breakdown of triggers. Criticism, directly attacking their abilities or questioning their superiority, can set off alarms. Ignored superiority, neglecting to acknowledge their perceived greatness, could cause a stir. Challenged authority, questioning their decisions, or refusing to comply with their demands, can provoke panic. Tactics to disarm a narcissist. 1. Strategic compliments. Narcissists have an insatiable appetite for admiration. Strategic compliments, however, need to be sincere yet subtly challenging their perceived grandeur. 2. Setting boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries can be unnerving for a narcissist accustomed to bending situations to their advantage. Firm boundaries safeguard against manipulation. 3. Redirect attention. Shifting the focus away from threatening situations or topics can help diffuse tension. Redirecting discussions towards topics that flatter their ego could ease the panic. Using empathy as a shield. Understanding the insecurities fueling a narcissist's behavior enables empathetic responses. However, caution is key. Overstepping boundaries might backfire. Handling a narcissistic meltdown. Recognize the signs. Anticipating a narcissistic meltdown involves noticing subtle cues, heightened agitation, verbal aggression, or irrational demands are red flags. Maintain composure. Keeping calm during their storm is crucial. Reacting impulsively might escalate the situation. Exit strategically. When faced with an escalating narcissistic episode, gracefully stepping away can prevent further confrontation. Internal links integration. Understanding the psychology behind narcissism helps navigate interactions effectively. Tactics like strategic compliments and setting boundaries are instrumental. Handling meltdowns involves recognizing signs and maintaining composure. Internal links are vital in understanding psychology and handling meltdowns caused by narcissistic panic. Understanding the triggers and effective strategies to navigate a narcissist's panic can help diffuse tense situations. Employing empathy, setting boundaries, and tactful communication are potent tools. Remember, dealing with a narcissist necessitates finesse and resilience. Have you encountered a challenging personality? Share your experiences and tactics in dealing with them in the comments below. Your insights might help others facing similar situations.